Hey guys, today we will show you the step-by-step installation of the RADE pipe with the Sharon silencer for the KTM 790-890 Adventure. First step, we need to release this bolt and remove this sleeve. Now we will remove this bolt holding the silencer. Okay. We take out the bolt and we remove the silencer. Now we need to remove another sleeve holding the decat to the front pipe. Now you take this type of key, I don't know what it's called, but number 10, because here behind the lever it's one bolt holding the decat. You see it here? So this one, slowly you need to get out. On the left side, above the chain, there is another one. So get it out. Because another bolt holding the decat is here, so first we need to loose these bolts. Now we have to remove the uniball. Do it like this. There's one bolt, second bolt, third bolt to be able to release the plastic cover. Now here, under the chain, there is one bolt holding the side stand there, so we need to only loose this one also. Take the bolt out completely. Yeah. Don't mix up here because the bolts are different lengths. So the shortest one goes up, this one goes to the front, it goes to the back. Now we take out the side stand. Take out the bolt. To get out the decat, so you need to remove it from the sleeve a little bit. Yeah? If it doesn't work, take a rubber hammer, yeah, and hold yourself like this, and it's out. I will take the shortest bolt, and I will get it here up under the chain again. So now you catch this bolt. Don't tight too much because you need to catch other two bolts. Take the longest bolt and put a little bit of Loctite. Go to the front lower hole. Take the remaining bolt and put a little bit of Loctite. Don't forget, there goes the spacer in between. So take the bolt, insert the spacer, and now put through the bolt. Again, catch the thread. You have to tighten all three bolts. So first put back the plastic cover. Here is 1, 2, 3 bolts. Yeah. Use the Loctite, and here the uniball also put a bit of Loctite and mount it back. Now we take the pipe. We insert it like this. First we take this clamp and we somehow get it over. Just make sure that you get it over both sides of the connection, yeah, not only through one half. Yeah, you see here like this. Try to hook it over. You take the bolt. Don't necessarily over tight at this stage, yeah? Just let it holding there. Now we take the original bolt with the compression limiter. Look. Insert it there, push through, and you secure with the nuts from the other side. Now we take the silencer, we put it on. The correct orientation, it's these hooks where goes the springs. Yeah. Now take the springs and such a hook or something similar. One. Now to take the shorter bracket, the bolt and the washer, and it's organized following way. It goes here, And now we need to now we take the rubber spacers and the washer. We insert it here. Now we take the longer bracket. We place it on top of it. We take the M8 nut and the washer. Now prepare the bolts and the sleeve and the nuts. We will open the sleeve. Try to get it behind it. And now it's a little bit of game, but once you put it first bolt, you are the winner. Now everything is fitted together, so now you can finally tighten all these 3 bolts, this bolt from this side and the nut from the other side. Guys, so the installation is ready, so congratulations to your great mechanical job, and we wish you a great season with your motorbike.